So right about now, you don't know so famous, and right now me I bring to no a special. Yeah, me think mother call this a special because it is not a vlog, but it mean as much to me as a vlog. You know what I mean? So I hope you still stick around and support it. Today me I bring to no right hand. Couple of on the seat already, couple of on in the seat yet. Right hand was basically me can say one of my first official standalone project. Me be nervous and me be excited at the same time. When me say nervous, it was more so what Uno did I go think, like if Uno did I go like it. Alright, backstory upon right hand. Let me tell you how right hand come about. Before we got Georgia, me, Travis and Nice, we did a writing session with a write Creed that I one where we shoot and put up after right hand. We shoot that within a writing session for that, and that are the only thing we go Atlanta for shoot. We go Atlanta and we did there and we shoot that, but Marlon will play King in the movie. We did and we just a joke around and him say, yo, so what? Him not get no part in a movie. Him a big actor too, but him never act before and none of that. So him just a joke around and all we did a laugh and me just say, alright, me I write something for you. And him think a joke me that make. The first day me remember, me take the first day and me figure out who and who they run when me that go using it. Like everybody, me just the want to know how much people I have for use. That we do the first day and we look location. Me say Marlon, bring me around Atlanta, me see places so me know when me want to shoot or how to write this. So the first day we figure out who we are gonna use, we figure out location. The night there, I got my bed around 5 o'clock in the morning because I stay up the whole night and just in on my phone. So I'm right hand. You know what I mean? I write it never easy and it never hard. I link them in the morning and I say, yo, you know, say the script done. I write it last night. Nobody never believe me, didn't think a joke. The day there, we start shoot the night and it take me one day. Well, it take me one night for shoot it. The next day, me edit it and done. So right hand take 3 days. 3 days take me for the right hand. The first day was figure out who me that gonna use on location. Second day it was shooting. The third day me edit it and done it. It ready for go up. It color, everything. It's a special project to me and me the kind of nervous as me say as to how only that gonna accept it. Take a while it cut off because me get a phone call, so it cut off because me a video on my phone. But me I say basically it hit me and me I say, yo, you don't know my writing style already. Believe it or not, you don't know my writing style already. Because from me, Travis, we basically co-write some of the favorite short films, some of the favorite episodes, some of the favorite series. I write big parts in them. So I know my writing without know so know my writing. I know my style of directing and scripting. You know what I mean? So think about that and me say, alright, don't know I like it already. Don't know I like it. And the response when me get back from right hand, it do good. Do good. When we drop it on the website, within an hour, you get a 10,000 views within the first hour on the website. So we know and we see the numbers say it do really good and me appreciate it and me just want to thank you for the support and always a support and show me throughout the years. So you know what I mean, me have the cast from right and them I go. I make them talk to a little bit, explain certain things, tell them certain things. I just want to say Nix, big up yourself. OG, big up yourself. King, big up yourself. Chrome, big up yourself. Chabas, nice, all and big up on yourself for be a part of right hand. You know what I mean? Because even though me writing and shooting and all of them someday, if you never play in the role good, it won't come out so good. So I just want to say big up on yourself for that. You know what I mean? Really and truly appreciate it and the strength you want to give me. We just gonna make only hear from some of them right now.
It's your girl, Nix Taylor, Chantal from the movie Right Hand. I know most of you guys have seen it already. Amazing production, a famous production. You know, shout out to Famous. But yeah, this is his baby and I'm just here to tell you guys about my experience, what it was like, you know, working with such dope people, Yeah, so what the experience was like, it was in Atlanta. It was really fun, just meeting up with the guys, with the crew every day, and just recording and just having fun. It wasn't even like a business, or it wasn't even work at this point. It was just like having fun, who are boss a joke, who are do what, it was just like a whole vibe with everybody. Our personalities meshed very well together, so that was just really fun. It was a fun experience. I would say my favorite scene from the movie was when I was being rescued by my big brother Kemar. Yeah, it was just the excitement of Kemar trying to pull off the rope off of me, and I'm just like, yo, hurry up dog, police are come. And it was just and just running out of the room. It was just really fun. And acting is something that is amazing. The adrenaline rush is dope, and it was just a really fun time just recording this project with such dope people. So here we go. Shout out to Chrome, shout out to Trabas, Famous, Link the Boss, Blam the General, and Nice. It was just, they made it amazing for me. So it was just a great experience. So yeah. Yes, please.
Yo, man, you promised me something.
Yeah.
Final thing. But you have to promise me. You hear me I said to you? When you buy your textbook, them first thing.
Of course.
And the rest of it, you just put it towards school.
The rest?
Chantel, you hear me I said to you? When you put the money to your textbook and put the rest towards school.
Yeah, of course. I promise.
It's a $2,000, yeah.
You serious?
Chantel.
You serious?
Chantel, hear me I say, after school.
Oh my god, thank you. So I'm gonna tell you guys how exactly you can find and watch the film, right? So if you guys have a Fire Stick or a Roku stick, I need you guys to go on and download the app. Like, it's the click of a button. Seriously, download the app. If you guys want to see Right Hand, I mean, who would not want to see Right Hand? You guys have another option, so there's no excuses. So you guys can go on to TrabasTVNetwork.com and watch Right Hand right there.
And definitely a special big up the FamousSosick and the Famous production for allowing me with the opportunity to feature my newly found acting talents in Right Hand. To be honest with you, it was an experience, out of body experience for me. Every time I watch it, kind of get like goosebumps, because it's something that I wasn't used to, and they asked me to do something, and I really tried my best to play this king role in this situation, and hopefully I knocked it out the park for you, the fans, and the people who have been supporting them for so long. So I don't want to make this long. I want to keep this brief and just give you guys a thank you. Just know that we're supposed to do more episodes. Right Hand should be a series. We're going to come and embrace you guys, and hopefully I can be around and do a little bit more acting for you guys. You know what I mean? Peace.
What's up, you guys? It's your boy Chrome. If you watch Right Hand, my name's Jeff, you know what I'm saying? So talking about the experience of shooting Right Hand, it was just an overall like awesome vibe, man. The energy off of everybody, Nice, Trabas, Famous, Marlon, my nigga Blam, Nix, we all was just killing it, you know what I'm saying? Everybody was just killing their roles. This is my first time acting in, something somewhat big, so you know what I'm saying? I think I did pretty good for my first time. But yeah, the overall vibe was just like electric, full of creativity, because everybody chipping in and putting some little something on this film that's unique to them. I'm not saying no need for telling no, or no need for even think about it too hard, but my favorite scene in the whole thing is when OG dragged me into the car and me I get questioned, when the man them go for nearly kill me. But like, no, understand said that scene there, me did kind of afraid, because we practically did it one take. There was no fake nothing, we go hard. We went hard on that scene, and it just showed how the scene hard, the scene tough, the scene bad. And I don't know, a Chrome out.
Yeah, man, it's your boy Blam the General. Just want to take a second to big up two of my favorite dudes doing it in this industry. And that's Tribos from Tribos TV, the Tribos TV network. Y'all might have seen the right-hand joint that we did, and Greed. Both of them joints off the hook. I mean, and FamousSosick. I mean, Famous Productions. I want to big y'all up. Thank y'all for giving me the opportunity to express my acting talents. You know what I'm saying? Good evening.
Hey.
I'm sorry to bother you.
No, it's totally fine.
I have one more box of my daughter's Girl Scout cookies left to sell.
How much is it?
$5.
Okay, just give me 1 second.
Okay.
All right. 1 second. All right, I can soon come back. All right.
Because it's something I've been wanting to do for a long time. You know what I mean? I want to thank y'all for giving me the opportunity to do that. And I want to tell everybody to make sure y'all go and watch Right Hand and go and watch Greed, because they shit is off the hook, like, for real though. There's so much more coming. I mean, that's just the beginning. That is just the beginning. You wait and see.
Yo, OG, you know we don't want to do this.
Then why you doing it?
With all of that being said, remember, figure check out Right Hand right now. Yeah, so that for now. For this year, we're go say be a FamousSosick production. Whole heap of them. Me I move back go New York probably within a month. So, you know what I mean? LTS. We're not going to say whole heap of things. So, blessings and respect again for father and support. Yet and can't ever say vlog, but yet an next special. Watch Right Hand, support it, blessings and respect. Everybody who watch this or watch Right Hand already, comment down below and make the people them know, say, yo, it's something worth watching. So, blessings and respect. Up it in,
Roku TV and Fire TV, you know what I'm saying? Can both get them. Download the app, stream, rate the app, do all of these nice things to the app. Or if you don't have any of those, TribosTVNetwork.com, you know what I'm saying? Type that in your browser or your phone, it pop up. App coming soon, mobile, everything. So yeah, and you can go check us out. Check out Tribos TV Network TTN, for the culture, by the culture. You know what I'm saying? At all the places I just listed before. And I don't know, a Chrome out.
Hold on there, before you click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirts, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in.